Hi, I'm Josh with smartsocial.com, and my team here at Smart Social has built Parent University, which schools all over the world use to protect children, not just at school, but also at home. You see, you're about to see videos that parents use at home around the dinner table or in an evening at the house to teach their students how to be safe on the internet. We have a unique approach. We start with being positive. And as I travel the country teaching students their resume, we show them here's what social media can do for you. Then we teach them safety, and then we also show them some anti-bullying to give them a vocabulary before they need it about what could go right and what could go wrong. Now, every member gets safety videos that you watch with your kids and some without your kids. Other ones are smart videos, tutorials your kids watch and use to understand the positive side of social. Then there's some prevention videos just to show parents what could go wrong and how to make sure you're safe before that happens. Now, the first step in this program, and it's about a 90-day program. You could do it in 3 weeks or 3 months. Most families can do it in about 90 days. But you get about 6 months to do this. You first learn how to find out who's been posting under your student's name. We have a 3-step plan. And why that will confuse colleges, internships, employers when they search for you online. And you watch these videos with your kids. Well, my son isn't online yet. Well, we want to show you who's been posting under your son's name, your daughter's name, and why that's so powerful. This first step is for every single family. Second, we show you how to create a plan that'll keep your family on track to get your student into the college of their dreams and the career that they want. This is so crucial because so many parents are disagreeing with their kids, are butting heads with their children run off and make bad decisions, and I want to make sure that you know how to create a plan that keeps you all on track. Next, and the third step, is learn the skills that your student needs to build a positive resume for now and later. We show you tricks, tactics, tutorials that your kids watch on Instagram, Medium. Well, you can scroll down and see all the apps that we're going to teach you, and a whole lot more. We also have bonus videos. These are the videos that your students and you use to fix issues that might happen online before you need them. Think of them as a first aid kit. You don't buy it when you need it. You buy it and you have it there in case you want to watch them. You can watch all of them. They're all short, but I want to make sure that you know that they're there. Anti-bullying, prevention, if something goes wrong. Now, I could talk till I'm blue in the face about all the videos we have: Instagram, college prep, Pinterest, YouTube, LinkedIn. These are all tutorials. And then as you can see in the bottom right, we have bullying prevention for students, Instagram and Snapchat class for parents along the bottom, social media safety class, resume building. I am so honored to get the chance to have shared all this nationwide, tested it, and found out what works and what doesn't. You also get access to my books, Light, Bright, and Polite, all the different books, and my book in Spanish. Here's another example of all the books that you're going to get. You can download all of my 6 books in there. Now, one of the other things that's really important is you get into our Facebook group, our Parent University Facebook group, to ask any questions you have. What monitoring software do you recommend for the computer? We answered it, and so on. Now you're going to get safety videos, smart videos, prevention videos, Facebook group support. You get all of this inside of our program, Parent University. I hope you'll learn more. I'm Josh Ochs with smartsocial.com. Thank you.